Good morning friends and good morning my students. Today in this video we will be discussing another important topic in enzymes, that is coenzymes, its structure and biochemical functions. So I have told you detail about the coenzyme in my previous video. So in short, what is coenzyme? The non-protein, organic, low molecular weight substance and easily dialyzable associated with the enzyme function is called the coenzymes. So some important coenzymes are NAD plus, F, M, N, A, D, etc. So this is very important topic for examination purpose also. At first, we shall discuss about the NAD. So NAD full form is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So this is the dinucleotide. Now what is nucleotide? Nucleotide, when the nitrogenous base it attached with the sugar, mainly the ribose sugar, then it is attached with the phosphate. This is called the nucleotide. So another nucleotide attached with this, it will be the phosphate, sugar and nitrogenous base. It is called the dinucleotide. So NAD is the dinucleotide. In case of the NAD, nitrogenous base are adenine and other nitrogenous base are nicotinamide. Sugar is the D-ribose sugar. So let's draw the structure. We shall start from the sugar. It will be very easy. CH2, hydrogen, OH, hydrogen, OH, hydrogen, H. Next the nitrogenous base. NH2, this is the adenine, this is the D-ribose, sugar. Next the phosphate, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen. So we have completed this portion. Now another nucleotide. Again we will draw the D-ribose. OH, CH2, H, and nitrogenous base nicotinamide. So this is the structure of NAD plus. NAD plus means here positive ions there. This is the structure of the nicotinamide. So first, why nicotinamide? This is the nicotinamide. So nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide. One nucleotide is other is the another nucleotide. Nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide. Next is the biochemical functions. Number one, it is involved in oxidation reactions. All the oxido reductases enzymes require NAD for their catalytic activity. We have seen so many oxidoreductase enzymes. Number two, in carbohydrate metabolism, so you have seen the so many dehydrogenase enzymes that will require the NAD plus. One, glyceraldehyde, glyceraldehyde, 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. So it catalyzes the reaction glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-diphosphoglycerate. Number 2, pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, it catalyzes the reaction pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Another example, alpha keto glutarate dehydrogenase complex. These enzymes also require the NAD for their catalytic activity. Number 3, in lipid metabolism, you know, beta hydroxy acyl CoA dehydrogenase. This enzyme also require the NAD. it catalyzes the reaction beta hydroxyacyl CoA to beta keto acyl CoA. So these are some biochemical functions of the coenzyme NAD. Next, we will discuss another coenzyme FAD. Its name is flavin adenine dinucleotide. Adenine dinucleotide. So it is also the dinucleotide, flavin adenine dinucleotide. So you see the structure of FAD up to this almost same. In place of the D-ribose, it is the D-ribitol. So here you see, we will start draw the structure. Oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphate, oxygen. O minus, O negative, and then CH2, we have completed the phosphate, then ribitol, the 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CH2, OH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the ribitol. So we have completed up to this, then the nitrogenous base. CH3, nitrogenous base, nitrogen. So this is the isoalloxagene. This person is the isoalloxagene, and with the ribitol, it is called the riboflavin. With the ribitol, this one and this one, it is called riboflavin. Isoalloxagene and ribitol commonly called the riboflavin. So here you see flavin adenine dinucleotide. Here is the one nucleotide, it is the another nucleotide. This is the structure of the flavin adenine dinucleotide. Now its biochemical functions. Flavin, FAD also catalyzes the oxidation reduction reactions. Number 1, catalyzes oxidation reduction reaction. So the enzymes which catalyze the oxidation reaction requires the FAD. Number 2, in case of the carbohydrate metabolism, example is succinate dehydrogenase. This is the example. Number 2 example, in case of the lipid metabolism, acyl CoA dehydrogenase. Number 4, in protein metabolism, example is D-amino acid oxidase. It catalyzes the D-amino acid to alpha keto acid and ammonia. Amino acid D-amino acid to alpha keto acid plus NH3 ammonia in the oxidative deamination process. So there are some biochemical functions of the FAD. Next example is the FMN, flavin mononucleotide. So one nucleotide will be there. So this is the one nucleotide, another nucleotide, that was. So here this is the structure of FMN, flavin mononucleotide. Its biochemical function. L-amino acid oxidase. This enzyme requires FMN for their catalytic activity. What happened? L-amino acid to alpha keto acid plus ammonia. FMNH2. So half O2, H2O2. Again H2O2 will be decomposed by catalase enzyme. Catalase enzyme with the removal of H2. So this is all about some structure and biochemical functions of some coenzymes. So next video will discuss some other coenzymes. Thank you.